Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. Google is bringing its AI assistant Gemini onto your wrist. That is, if you have a Wear OS watch from Pixel, Samsung, OPPO, OnePlus, or Xiaomi. Granted, the AI tool isn't foolproof, not yet at least, but it can really boost your productivity at work or deliver anything from the latest weather to recipes. Even before this rollout, we've been impressed with the Pixel 3 watch. It can keep you connected with or without a phone. The health and fitness monitoring are very good. It has heart rate tracking throughout the day, can alert you to irregular rhythm, and offers loss of pulse detection, automatically calling for help. I haven't tested that function yet, thank goodness. The downsides, it's designed to work with Android only, and battery life is typically only about a day. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Preparedness. That's what having an emergency radio is all about. And that is what the folks at C-Crane deliver. The CC Skywave SSB2 radio can go with you anywhere and can give you the information you need even when you're without internet or cell phone service. Features? It's full of them. With AM, FM, and shortwave bands, weather from NOAA along with alerts, a scannable VHF aviation band, and single sideband. Along with that, the CC Skywave SSB2 features USB charging if you opt for rechargeable AA batteries. The speaker is top-notch. There's also a stereo headphone jack. Great for emergencies, but with the built-in clock and alarm and sleep timer, you'll want to use it every day. You'll find lots of 4-star reviews and more info at ccrane.com, or just click on the link at Techstination.com.